Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Chinga tu puta.
Let's keep going. Two wrongs make a right.
Ang hirap din kasi Sunday, it's family day. Sorry.
What is this truck
Because
doing?
the truck,
Oh my god, what is he doing?
Patakot yung truck. I think he's drunk.
What is he doing?
He's
Oh my god.
Avoid him. I know, did you see that?
I know, I have my dash cam on.
Anak ko,
Good thing is all the way in the front.
Dito pala.
I have a dash cam.
Either
What is he doing?
Avoid him, love.
I
Dito
know,
pala.
I know.
Look, anak, please. Don't go near him.
Mom, relax, relax.
No, because it's ano.
Oh my
Takot siya. Wow.
Looks like he's gonna swerve the shoulder or something.
Lumayo ka na, baby.
Oh,
Kasi
there he
tignan mo,
is. There
Lander.
you go.
You're so close to him. Look, Lander, I told you.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Damn.
Go. Pass it up.
Holy shit.
Gosh.
Oh my
Look at
god.
him. Look at him.
God
Oh my
damn.
God.
Oh, God. Yep. Oh, God. Oh, God. Go, 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 go. Get out of the way so we don't get hit. I'm gonna go.
For Junior, Jesse Waters, Dana Prino, and Greg Gutfeld. It's 5 o'clock in New York City, and this is The Five. The socialist fever in the Democratic Party seems to be spreading.
Dude, you gotta look. I almost creamed into you.
Over in Seattle,
Yeah.
they have just elected.
And we're something bright.
Wilson, an inexperienced.
Dumb.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.